Hello everyone, my name is Vijit Bam. Currently I am pursuing base CIT from CIMET Group of Institution. I am from batch 1 and my roll number is 65 and ID is 10077. Currently I am here just because of this project that I have made. It's a virtual banking system. So let's see how it is. It's a interface. When the user will come at the first time, then he will see this interface. Actually it's a home screen. If any customer has their own card number and pin number, they don't need to carry physical ATM. They have to just remember the card number and ATM pin. Okay, if he has already created his account, they can simply insert here the card number and pin, and they can do transaction, whatever transaction he want to perform. First of all, if any customer is a new customer comes at here, then first of all he will do what? He will open their account over here. So for that, they will have to click over here sign up page, sign up button. Once the customer click on sign up button, the application form has opened in the front of him. Here he has to fill all the details that are required by the bank. This bank. I am just filling the forms as a newbie. So I have just filled this form. It's a first form, page 1. That's a personal detail that I had to put, and I have just filled this form. And let's move to the next button. Let's click to the next button. And here is the second form that I have to fill as a new customer. So here is a religion, category, income, education, occupation, PAN, Aadhaar, everything I will have to fill. Then we will redirect it to the another detail where we will have to fill also. So I have just filled this all details of this page, and I have each field is validated. Each field has to be correct. Anyhow, only when it will redirect to the another page, otherwise it will show error. So let's see. If I try to go at the next page, it is showing invalid PAN number. PAN number must be exactly 10 digits. So we will have to enter correct details so that we will redirect to the another page. So I have just make it 10 numbers. Okay. Let's try to move another page. So here is the another page. Here we will have to choose account type and the services that we want to acquire, or the required services that we will have to tick. Suppose I need a saving account and I want ATM, internet banking, mobile banking, and checkbook. I also need checkbook. So, and once we submit this page, the card number and PIN both will be generated by the system, and it will display over the screen, as well as it will send to the user's email ID. The card number and PIN is a login ID or password that we will have to remember always. We don't need to carry physical ATM card. We will have to just remember the card number and PIN. So if I submit, we can see here is our card number and here is our PIN. Let's OK it, and it has redirected to the ATM, virtual ATM, and the mail has to be already sent to the email ID that we have put it into the field. Here is the main interface. It's a main interface that we generally see at the real ATM. So it is quite friendly as well, user friendly. So if we want to deposit, we can directly click on it and deposit amount that much amount we want to deposit. And it's a fast cash, PIN change, cash withdrawal, full statement, like how many times we have performed transactions. All details would be mentioned over here that we will definitely see further. So balance inquiry, we can do also balance inquiry, how many remaining funds are in our account. and it's a exit button. If you want to leave this page, then we can click on exit. So let's see one by one. First of all, we will deposit some fund in our account, as we have just created our newly fresh account. Suppose I want to deposit 1 lakh rupees. Simply we will click over here, deposit, and it is saying message 1 lakh deposit successfully. Let's check. So our current account has 1 lakh rupee now. Let's do some transaction over here. It's a fast cash option. If we want to deposit fixed amount like the 100, 1000, 5000, 500, 2000, this much amount, if you want to deposit directly with one click, we can perform easily. Suppose I want to deposit 100 RS. Okay, so here RS 100 debited successfully. Manually, if you want to withdraw manually, then we can manually withdraw amount as much we want. 1250 rupees. Okay, simply we can withdraw this much amount because our account has already a lot of fund. Here is a balance. Well, let's see the balance, how many remaining over here. So 98,650 rupees is remaining in our account. Let's see the next thing, that is pin change. If we want to change our pin, then we can directly change our pin from here. Okay, so let's see the current account that we have created just. So let's see the all details of it first. Here is our pin. Okay, current pin, and our current card number is over here. Okay, it's a card number and it's a pin. Let's see it is changing or not. If we are trying to change from our dashboard, from our main screen, it is changing or not. Let's see. So here is the pin change option. Suppose we want to change our pin to 333, 4 times 3. Okay, this pop-up is saying pin changed successfully. Okay, let's see the into the database. It has actually changed or not. So we will simply run this. We will simply check, and here you can see pin has already changed. Okay, our card number is over here and the pin is here. It has changed. Let's see the full statement option. It is which kind of information it has. So let's see. It's our account holder name and it's a card number. It's a I have just hidden the middle numbers, and I have just showing the 4 first card number and the 4 last number. Okay, and total balance we have this much, and how many transactions we have performed with the time and current time and date, and how many times we have withdrawn, how many times we have deposited. Every detail is showing here. Okay, it's a full virtual banking system project that I have made.